So you're the one from room 312. I couldn't sleep all night because of the noise.
Excuse me, I was just watching a movie. Nothing does not loud.
I heard the TV, laughing, even door slamming. I called the front desk twice.
I'm sorry, but we are not being unreasonable. It was not a party or anything.
Well, it was loud enough to keep me up, and I have a flight today.
Look, I get your upset, but yelling at me in the lobby won't fix anything.
I just want some basic respect for the other guests.
And I want to enjoy my stay without being blamed like this. Good evening, Mr. Montenegro. I need to remind you that our hotel policy doesn't allow pets in guest rooms.
I don't bring a pet, just a small friend. He's quiet and stays in the room.
I understand, but we have strict rules to respect other guests' allergies and comfort.
It's just my little dog. I kept him in the room the whole time. No one even noticed.
I appreciate that, but unfortunately, pets are only allowed with prior approval. You need to either remove the dog or switch to a pet-friendly room, which has an extra charge.
I didn't realize. I'll take care of it now.
Thank you for understanding. Let us know if you need any help.
Good afternoon, Mr. Canyon. I noticed you brought outside food into the hotel. Just a reminder, our policy doesn't allow food from outside for health and safety reasons.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't want to spend extra at the hotel restaurant. It's just some snacks.
I understand, but we have this policy to keep the hotel clean and safe for everyone.
It's just a small thing, no harm done, right?
I'm sorry, sir, but I'll need to ask that outside food is not consumed in public areas or rooms. We can help you with the dining option if you like.
Okay, I get it. Won't happen again.
Thank you for understanding. Please let us know if you need anything.